Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have come up with a new site by which you can earn much profit from home. Let's start the video, and before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel so don't miss any video, and please press the bell icon. So let's begin. So first I will tell you about the pre-sale, which will remain for 4 days, 10 hours and 7 minutes. So if you apply right now, you get to have sale on this site. So Baby Doge Shiba Inu, a meme cryptocurrency, is a meme cryptocurrency developed into a brilliant ecosystem. One of members Doge Shiba supply meme token that developed into a brilliant ecosystems. So Doge founder Elon Musk tweets in support of the cryptocurrency are right here, and you can even see those by clicking this or visiting our Twitter account about Baby Doge Shiba Inu. So Baby Doge Shiba Inu is a decentralized meme-friendly financial platform built on Binance Smart Chain that is designed for crypto exchange protocol BEP20. Baby Doge Shiba Inu's team developed the community-driven project empowered by the Doge Shiba loving community. Baby Doge Shiba Inu solves problems in the current market of currency. Baby Doge Shiba Inu provides fast transaction speed in the trade process that helps against hackers or steal through cyber attacks. Since our development team has created a unique platform with maximum security and activity to optimally save time and costs, thereby developing the position of the decentralized meme cryptocurrency platform to the new chapter for digital finance. So a vision of the Baby Doge Shiba Inu. We believe in a future where any transaction is settled on the blockchain network. Baby Doge Shiba Inu is a new trending DeFi project that makes it easy to access for global users. Baby Doge Shiba Inu's decentralized platform provides effective solution for global meme crypto projects, promoting sustainable development to the cryptocurrency market and blockchain network system. Our research team will actively work to give positive solutions for development strategies on the DeFi platform that help contribute a new and utility platform to the community beyond the existing DeFi platforms. Mission of Baby Doge Shiba Inu. The mission, Baby Doge, Shiba Inu's teams developed the community-driven project empowered by the Shiba loving community. Decentralized finance based on the provided platform, many generous rewards for the community to participate and contribute to the sustainable development of the project. Our solutions provide the ultimate performance for participants. We are trying to build the best decentralized ecosystem in the world. Our ecosystems include swaps, staking, farming, NFT, and DEX that will give the best experience in cryptocurrency decentralized exchange ecosystem. We are trying to build the best decentralized ecosystem DECO in the world. Our ecosystem includes swaps, staking, farming, NFT, and DEX, as I have told before, that will give the best experience in cryptocurrency decentralized exchanges. Uh, Swap. Shiba Inu's Cake Bunny come together to create Shiba Swap. The next evolution in DeFi platform, Baby Doge Shiba Swap gives users the ability to dig, provide liquidity, bury, stake, and swap tokens to gain WOOF returns through our sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. Our platform also allows Shiba Inu to access upcoming NFTs and additional tools such as portfolio trackers to make navigating the crypto world simple and innovative. Stalking. Now, the upcoming stalking platform will help the community increase the number of Shiba Inu tokens that users hold. More importantly, every time you stake, you will participate in the charity donation process to rescue global Shiba Inu. Farm. Yield farming is a reward scheme that's taken hold in the DeFi crypto world. If you want to compare it to traditional investing, it's like yield on a bold or a dividend tokens fluctuate depending on how these projects and exchange roll them out. Anyone with a Coinbase account can easily discover which coins pay yield. Yield farm allow users to earn Shiba Inu while supporting Baby Doge Shiba Inu by taking LP tokens. NFT. Besides the official token of the ecosystem, Shiba Inu's Baby Doge Shiba Inu project will also research and develop the NFT. NFT means non non-fungible token. It is a unique cryptocurrency that another NFT, non-fungible token, cannot replace. NFTs usually represent a digital asset or an asset tokenized from the real world. DEX, a decentralized trading platform on Baby.Shiba Inu, will be added, satisfying the needs of fully decentralized payments. Baby.Shiba Inu applies Binance Smart Chain blockchain network that makes it easy and convenient to connect and process transactions, breaking any user-touchable space closed to the future world. The dominant cryptocurrency decentralized liquidity will no longer be an obstacle to move from place to place. Baby.Shiba Inu guarantees outstanding speed token processing and extremely low transaction fees so that the community can easily connect. Tokenomics. Baby.Shiba Inu token information. Project name is Baby.Shiba Inu. The contact address is written and the token symbol is Shiba Inu. Decimal is 18. Network Binance Smart Chain and platform BEP20. Max supply is 369. Baby.Shiba Inu token distribution. 5% raise, wild animals fund, 15% marketing, 25% liquidity and unblock, 5% community incentives, and 50% bun tokens. Roadmap. Stage 1, startup community. Coin launch, website launch, V1, start an aggressive marketing campaign, reward the community loving Baby.Shiba. Step 2. So launch of DeFi platform for Baby.Shiba Inu community. Connect to the animal-loving celebrities to promote the platform. Allocate budget for healthy communication activities. Collect people holding diamond hats. Development. Public platform and viral logo to identify Baby.Shiba brand globally. Big rewards for the community for joining the creative contest. Associate to payment the apps that accept Baby.Shiba Inu tokens. Increase advertising revenue. Strong association with global influencers promoted in promoting the project. So stage 4, expansion. First audit, list on CoinGecko and register CMC, update website version 2, get trending on DEX tools, promote big marketing with some of the top crypto influencers, publish articles on websites that have a big reader. Stage 5, update Baby.Shiba Inu version 2, listing CMC, second audit, website version 2 launches with swap and card payments features, start to attract celebrities and ads, huge donations to animal camps, show the community how their contribution have made an impact, submit for support so you won't have any trouble when trading on Baby.Shiba Inu. Charity. We motivate governments and communities worldwide to create better lives for dogs, which we should by ending poor treatment and brutal, inhumane killing practices. Human alternatives to culling don't only exist, they're more effective. Baby.Shiba Inu want encourage and inspire humanity and love animal to community that help prevent problems, dog violence. We expect the help unlucky dogs in real life that gives these dogs go back. Their playful and mischievous nature makes them loyal and fun friends for life, and their stubbornness keeps their owners on their toes. Besides, Baby.Shiba Inu wish contribute a part to protect wild animals in the world before situation of wild animals are being threatened by the environmental and social issues. So guys, beside this, I want you to take care of dogs and other animals in your environment, and please don't harm them. They also have feelings like we have. So coming back to the topic, meme NFT marketplace. You can join our community on our various social sites like Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube. So if you want to buy Shiba Inu, so you have to click this button this icon like this, and you have to write your email, username, Telegram, amount, and your BP20 wallet address, sponsor email, sponsor address, BP20 wallet, and just you have to click the connect button. This is so easy to do. And now if you want to connect the wallet, you have to click this connect wallet option, Binance Chain Wallet. You can click this Binance Chain Wallet option right here, by which you can connect. So this you if you want to buy Shiba Inu, so I have told you how to do that by going to this icon or by going to this icon. So yes, that was it for today's video. If you got any information from my video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video so other people can also know about this useful site. And goodbye, and we'll meet you in the next video.